Alright, this is the last town we're going to stop at in Tuscany during this trip. This is Siena. We're working our way around to the central part of town.
At this place where they had the forchetta, and this person kept going in for the back. So we kept going in.
My recommendation for getting here would be to take a tour bus, because parking is the biggest nightmare. And driving through this town is not fun either. It really isn't. I'm a very, very, very patient person, and it was running thin toward the end. So take the bus, take a tour group, take a bus, come up here, they park, you walk, you get back on the bus, you don't have to worry about it. That'd be my recommendation. It's a very busy town. It's got a beautiful central piazza that we're going to get to here in a minute. Obviously, you can see it's very, very busy. It's a larger medieval town. It's really touristy. Lots of high-end stores, though. Rolex. It looks like a really nice grocery store, wine shop. Geez, I'm gonna have to go in there. Okay, back to we're in Siena.
Yeah, this is the statue that we were here where we met.
Yeah.
The group. We were supposed to be before.
It's Piazza Salimbeni. Piazza Salimbeni. Celestio Bandini. So something about the doctrine of free economy. I'll have my wife translate it. Piazza Ptolemy.
Oh, Ptolemy.
The old church. But this still isn't the best part of Siena.
Right down these steps.
Okay, we're gonna go. So we're headed down to the really cool piazza that's here in Siena, and they have horse races here. Believe it or not, they pack in hundreds of horses and race around this thing. It's crazy. You can catch videos of it on YouTube. And this is a great place to have your aperitif. You can see it's aperitif time here. It's about 5:15, 5:20 in the evening. And just a gorgeous piazza. When we were here 6 months ago, we were blessed because there were maybe 15 people in this whole thing. It was really, really cool. But yeah, they race horses around this thing a couple of times a year. So you can imagine that. It's crazy. But this is what I wanted to show you guys. Clock tower, I usually find one. Probably a bell up there. Some wolf statues. I told my wife, I said maybe if we could rent one of these apartments during one of the races, that'd be the only way to see it. You're up above the crowd, not getting all beat up. Anyway, That's it for Tuscany, folks. I hope you enjoyed it.